Don't hit the lizard.
Yep. And another one. You almost ran him over.
Oh man.
Be careful.
I do not want to squish lizards. Look at all that shit down there. That sucks. We're gonna have mosquitoes in a week. Morning. Aw. Whoa. Morning. Yeah.
That was fun.
I like that trail. I thought having the phone in the middle would be better, but the sun is glaring off of it, so I can't see any of my metrics.
Good fire.
Oh, one of your headsets just tried to pair with my phone.
Yeah, it's probably. I was trying earlier just to see what it would do.
But it asked for a pin. I did not give you, but I don't want to pair with yours.
No, I was gonna say, because then you only get to like pair one.
That's weird. As soon as we turned them off.
I can pair 3 things to my headset.
We can too.
Oh.
They're probably the same board inside.
I bet. So.
You know, it's a little late to say it now, but I keep my nitroglycerin in here.
Oh yeah, you mentioned that the other day when we were walking somewhere. Where was that?
What do we do with it then?
Put one in my hand, and I'll put it under my tongue. Or just shake the whole bottle into my hand, and then I put one under my tongue. But you don't want to touch it because it'll cause all your capillaries to expand, and your blood pressure will drop and you'll fall over.
Just by touching it?
It goes through the skin.
Okay.
So it depends on how long you hold it in your hand. But if you put it in your palm and then you're like, Larry,
Yeah.
boom.
Wow.
If nothing, even if you don't pass out, you'll have a really bad headache. Because suddenly all your capillaries will go whoosh. I haven't done it yet. I haven't.
I'll find the table.
You want me? We might have some interesting coffee. I mean, I don't think we're going to run out of table.
Yeah, you have to order at the counter. Best to see what the menu says. Really? This is your first time here?
We've been here before, but not for like 10 years.
We drove up and left.
Oh, they've added a lot of things to this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice that you can just come straight in from the river.
Yeah.
My legs are kind of shaky.
Yeah, after a long time, the first time Tracy and I came out, we're like,
You don't like my weed biking shorts?
I do like those. Do they have pads on them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm much more comfortable. I think the line is down here. I'm much more comfortable with the pads.
Yeah, we got that. This is wild cyclery. They don't make anything in black.
Does it have pockets?
No.
No. That's one thing I really hate is I don't have pockets.
Yeah.
So I have to
Like
carry everything
none
in
of
my.
them
I mean, at least they could do is put the
Tracy's
pockets.
got some with
Oh,
pockets.
they do?
Yeah, I was gonna say, at least they could do is put them there. You don't have to use them.
Right. Something I can put in my